Hello everyone and welcome to the Top Foreign channel. Have you got 2 minutes to spare? That's all it takes for you to start making money online by typing few basic words. As long as you have a good internet connection, this can work with your phone, computer, or any other device. Now the more words you type, the more money you make. So if you type for 5 minutes, you'll make $50, 10 minutes, $100, 20 minutes, $200, and 60 minutes you'll make $600, which is insane. And I think you're smart enough to realize that if you have too much free time right now, you can get started right away. As you can see, I'm going to show you how to earn an extra $100 to $500 every day by typing super easy sentences like these. In this video, I'll show you all the steps and details on the website. I've also hidden a few surprises and extra bonus advice for you somewhere in this video so you can double your money. So make sure to watch it all the way to the end to learn the secret approach. Before we get started with the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever we upload a new video. And don't forget to leave a comment too. Let's start. AskWander.com is the first website we'll visit today. Before we move on to this website, there are a few things I want to show you in this video. To begin, go to this website and scroll down to the bottom of the page until you find something like Earn While You Learn. Join our team as a research analyst. Click on the Apply Here button. Simply click this button to be redirected to this page. As shown here, you may earn money with your thinking work when you want and grow your resume and knowledge. Now you can earn money just by typing on the internet, and I'll show you how to do it on your phone or computer. First, you must complete these straightforward applications. All you have to do is enter your name, email, and password, as well as the country you're from, because they accept people all over the world, and then click Start Application. Once you completed your application, they'll send you an activation email with a subject line, Activate Your Wonder Account. Make sure to activate your account by clicking the blue button, and then verify your login by clicking the link. Once you've completed your registration, go to these pages and click Welcome to Wonder Sandy, and you'll be able to begin working on various typing jobs, typing projects, and research projects right away and start earning money. Keep an eye on things because this is a lot easier than you believe. Okay, don't worry, this is really newbie friendly and anyone can do it for free. So before I teach you how to start typing and generating money online, I'd want to walk you through these 4 stages so you know exactly how it works. When you're ready to get started, go to the research dashboard. Read the first step on this page. This is where you'll keep track of your research. You can look for different projects and tasks that you can do and begin working on them so that you can begin collecting cash. They will then assign you a request to work on. In the second page, you can now join different projects as you come across them and start working on them. The third step comprises finding answers and sources as well as synthesizing the data. Simply type anything and you'll be able to make money. Step 4, submit your work and celebrate is when you'll be able to obtain your cash. Right now you're on your research dashboard, which means you can find different projects where you can do some research and start typing and making money. And the reason this is so powerful right now is that you don't need any experience or do any research, because all you have to do is use a special Google trick that I'll show you right now. But first, let me give you an illustration. For example, if you click on marketing and then market size and then click on this button right here, they'll provide you a variety of jobs to perform, such as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 right here, which is 6 different projects in one area. And now a lot of people will find it quite difficult to type the answers to questions like what were the most expensive TV shows ever made when they obtain these jobs and projects. So what I want you to do right now is go to google.com. You can do this on your phone or on your computer to get tasks. It doesn't matter. Now let's go back to this project and highlight everything. Okay, simply highlight and replicate this one. We'll probably copy and paste the entire query into the box. What is the most expensive TV series ever made? And then press the search button on Google. When you press the search button, you'll find a variety of search results as seen above, with a variety of responses that we can quickly write into a Google document. So this is our project, most expensive TV show produced, in which we must submit a top 10 list of TV shows, after which they will pay us. Feeling excited to try this? Well, there's more, but before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel. Make make sure to give a thumbs up too if you love the video. Do you have any questions, concerns, or violent reactions? Please comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now it's time to go back to earn some money. It's a lot easier now because all we'll need is a top 10 list of the most expensive TV shows if you're utilizing Google to find the answers for us. As an example, as you can see here, these are the solutions. They give some explanations after that. And before moving on to number 2, friends, the third point is the most important. They just list all of the most fundamental points in bullet form, and the top 1 through 10 are displayed below. Okay, so we'll go back to Google and search for what were the most expensive TV shows in history. This is the first website that comes up, most expensive TV shows, and we'll just click on this link right here, and then we'll go to this website, 10 of the most expensive TV shows ever made. As you can see here, now that we've reached the bottom of the page, we'll find the exact answers. These are the ranked TV shows. You don't even have to answer them perfectly. All you have to do is type the question in Google, and we'll go right to work. You're going to duplicate them, and I'm going to highlight everything from the top to the bottom. Let's start at number 1 and go all the way to 10, and then just copy these. Click copy, and you'll be set to go back to here and paste everything, as you can see, all the way from number 1 to number 10, including images. You don't need to type it out personally, and you don't have to actually answer the question, but you do need to use the correct procedure, which is to conduct research using Google, and then copy and paste the answer into the box as if it were a real question. Okay, but for some clients, getting a direct answer on the first page isn't always easy, so right now I'm going to show you a second, much more difficult example that I'd like to show you before you try it yourself. This is, as you can see, the second question. Now that I've completed the first, you can easily earn anywhere from $50 to a few $100s by simply performing them. As you can see, we'll do the same thing for the second question. What are the fastest growing cities in the United States? We'll highlight the question for them, and they'll copy and paste the entire query into Google as shown here. What are the fastest growing cities in the United States, and what's driving the growth? Okay, I'm going to do the same method, then press search. So right now I'm going to see a few cities, but the question is a little more difficult, so you might not see the exact answer on the first website as shown here. You may quickly find an answer to the first question on the first page, which is great because it's free. You generate money by simply copying and pasting without having to type anything correctly, which is the power of this strategy. And that's it. So there you have it. I hope that this video helped you gain another avenue to earn money. If you like videos that have similar content to this, check out my channel and view my other videos. And if you like it, please hit the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you'll be notified of new videos. If you have any further questions, feel free to comment down below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.